Hi, we are Scioto Energy, and we would like to present you with some important energy cost-saving information. In 2009, the combination of deregulation and lower energy markets created a great opportunity for Ohio customers to save on their electricity costs by shopping for an alternative generation supplier. Now that you're shopping, let's take a look at your bill. There are three main components to it. The first is generation. This is the cost for producing the electron by a power plant. The second is transmission and capacity. These costs are charged for moving that electron across the high voltage lines and assuring reliability on the grid. The third is distribution. This is the charge by your utility to move that electron from the grid to you. Already you can change the generation component by shopping for a new supplier. However, you're stuck with the distribution costs because they're still regulated. But what if you could change your transmission and capacity costs? Wouldn't it be great to save 15 to 20% of your current bill and up to 30% next year? Let me explain what determines these costs and why it's important to lower them now. Transmission and capacity is determined by your consumption during the 5 peak hours on the transmission grid covering 13 states including Ohio. Your usage during these hours is called your peak load contribution, or PLC. Typically, these peak hours occur between the hours of 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. in July and August when the temperatures are the hottest. If you were able to know ahead of time when those exact 5 peak hours were to occur, and you could reduce consumption during those hours, you now have taken control of your PLC. This is extremely important because capacity costs are going up dramatically. Due to aging power plants and increased environmental regulations, numerous power plants are scheduled to shut down, reducing supply on the grid. Most energy customers will experience their capacity costs going from $5,000 per megawatt today to $50,000 per megawatt in 2014. And First Energy customers will see this explode by 700% to $125,000 per megawatt. This small part of your bill today will make up 20 to 35% of your costs next year. Who will help predict the 5 peak hours to avoid the rising cost of your PLC? Scioto Energy, the Midwest's leading energy brokerage and consulting firm. Utilize our critical peak notification system and you could take control of these out-of-control rising costs. For more information, please contact us at www.sciotoenergy.com. Thank you.